Hello everyone and welcome to Khan's Tech Lab. As you know, we are working on Git series and we have covered a few sessions. In the last session, we covered what is a Git repository and types of Git repository and how the Git workflow will happen. In this session, in order to create local repositories, as you can see in the picture, we need Git to be installed in the machine. As you know, I have Windows machine. I am trying to install Git in my Windows machine. First, I will search for Git download. Let's go inside this. As you can see, there are specifications with respect to Mac, with respect to Windows, with respect to Linux. I will download the Windows version. So, as you can read here, click here to download the latest 2.49.0. This is the latest version of Git, which is 64. I mean, Windows 64-bit version of Git. Now, let me try to download this by clicking here. Alright, the exe file got downloaded. The installer got downloaded. I have copied the installer into a tools folder where I have all the tools. Let me double click to install it. Now we need to read the license terms. Please read the license terms. Then by clicking off next, you will it will be like you are agreeing to the terms. Now it is asking the location where to install the Git. As my C drive is full, I will install it in some place in the D drive. I will install it in the tools folder itself. Let's see what and all components it has. So it is saying select the components you want to install. Clear the components you do not want to install. Click next when you are ready to continue. So do we need icons on the desktop? Let's say yes. So there are two integrations, Git Bash and Git GUI. We will discuss about this in the upcoming sessions. So I am checking this. So let us have these two components as well. Then large file support, let it be. Then associate.git star configuration files with default text editor, let it be. Associate.sh files to be run with bash, that is also needed. Then check daily for Git Windows updates. It is not required for now. Add a Git bash profile to Windows terminal. This is also not required. Scalar Git add on to manage large scale repositories. Let it be. So it is saying current selection requires at least 352 MB of disk space. I believe I have that much space. I am clicking on next. To continue, click next if you would like to select a different folder. Click browser. So now I want the name of the folder to be Git itself. So I will just click on next. So if you don't want to create a start menu, you have to click here. I want it to be part of start menu folder. So I will not check this box. Next. Okay. Choosing the default editor. Which editor would you like to Git to use? So I have a few editors here. So I would like to take Notepad++ as my Git's default editor. I will click on next. Adjusting the name of initial branch in new repositories. What would you like to get like Git to name the initial branch after Git init. Let Git decide. Let Git use its default branch name currently master. So let Git decide it. Next, adjusting your path. Use Git from Git bash only, Git from command line and also from third-party software. Use Git and optional Unix tools. Let it be the Git from command line, which is recommended, and also from third-party software. Now, choosing SSH executable. We will keep the default one, use bundle open SSH, which is already bundled inside this Git package. Choosing HTTPS. So there are two options. OpenSSL will require certificates. Use the native Windows secure channel. I will use this one. Now, configuring the line ending conversions. How should Git treat line endings in text files? Check out Windows style, commit Unix style line endings. Check out as is, commit Unix style line endings. Check out as is, commit as is. As you can see, Git will not perform any conversions when checking out or committing text files. Choosing this option not recommended for cross-platform projects. So let us read this one. Git will convert LF to CRLF when checking out text files. When committing text files, CRLF will be converted to LF. For cross-platforms projects, this is recommended settings on Windows. So let us use this recommended setting on Windows because we are using Windows. Next, use MinTTY, the default terminal of MSYS2. Let us use that. Then choose the default behavior of Git pull. If you can remember, we had discussed about Git pull also in the previous session. So let us read these steps. Fast forward or merge. Fast forward the current branch to the fetched branch when possible. Otherwise, create a merge request. Rebase. Rebase the current branch onto the fetched branch if there are no local commits to rebase. This is equivalent to fast forward. So then only ever fast forward. We will select fast forward or merge. Next, choose a credential helper. So let us use Git credential manager. We will learn about it in the upcoming sessions. It is for authentication purpose. Then extra options, enable file system caching symbolic links. Let us keep this file system caches. Now all configurations have been set. Let us try to install by clicking the install button. All right. Now the setup has been completed. If we want, we can see the release notes as well as we can launch Git bash. For now, I am not launching Git bash and also I am not reading the release notes for now. I'll just finish it. Now, how to check whether Git properly installed or not? Let us open command prompt and type git -version. As you can see, Git version is 2.49.0 Windows 1. So now Git is installed. So in the upcoming sessions, we will create local repositories using Git and also try to commit and push them to the remote repository. And also we will create a remote repository in GitLab or GitHub in the upcoming session. So please stay tuned for the upcoming session. And if you have not already subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.